Korea delivered a powerful index rally, but crypto did not confirm a broad risk-on move. That is the key tension today. Welcome to Dragon Bullion. The clean read is this. The KOSPI move was strong, but the money was selective. Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, NAVER, LG Electronics, and LG CNS carried the screen. The KOSDAQ and the crypto market were much less convincing. That means this is not a simple everything rally. It is a leader market where capital chooses quality, earnings, and AI-linked scale. Samsung Electronics closed at 349,000 won, up 10.09%. SK Hynix closed at 2,363,000 won, up 1.29%. Those are Korean local session prices, not synthetic US quotes. The message is that AI memory and semiconductor infrastructure remain the market reference point. But after a vertical move, the entry rule must be stricter. Pullbacks are only useful if AI demand, foreign flow, and KOSPI leadership remain intact. NAVER rose 16.03%, LG Electronics rose 29.86%, and LG CNS rose 26.27%. This matters because the source thesis was not only about chip. The bigger thesis is that AI and robotics can raise margins in old industries. When labor cost falls and software improves productivity, the market can re-rate companies that used to look mature. That is why investors should watch platforms, manufacturing, logistics, and software integration together. The US watchlist remains ARM, Intel, AMD, Dell, and Micron. ARM was near $353.29 on the latest verified US close. Dell was near $420.91. Intel near $114.68. And AMD near $516.100. These names can participate if AI, CapEx, and earnings keep confirming. They are not blind chase buys after a hot move. The right approach is conditional and sized. Bitcoin was near $72,138 and Ethereum near $1,982 on the latest verified reference check. The important signal is relative strength. If AI equities rise while Bitcoin and Ethereum cannot lead, liquidity is not broad. It is selective liquidity moving into equity leaders. That keeps altcoins in a defensive category. Altcoins need Bitcoin strength, Ethereum strength, volume, and broader risk appetite before the bar comes down. The buy condition for Korean AI leaders is a controlled pullback with strong volume, foreign participation, and intact AI memory demand. The buy condition for platforms is evidence that AI software and advertising or commerce monetization are improving. The buy condition for US AI infrastructure is earnings confirmation after the rally cools. The reduce condition is simple. Reduce if KOSPI leadership loses volume, if FX pressure returns, if US AI multiples compress, or if Bitcoin and Ethereum break while equities keep rising. Watch Samsung Electronics volume first. Watch SK Hynix and the HBM demand chain second. Watch NAVER and LG CNS for software platform breadth. Watch ARM, Dell, Intel, AMD, and Micron for US confirmation. Watch Bitcoin versus equities for the liquidity signal. If crypto stays weak, do not call the move broad risk on. The bottom line is direct. Korea was strong, but the strength was selective. AI, semiconductors, and AI-linked platforms are still the main screen. Crypto is not confirming a broad liquidity wave yet. Trade the leaders with conditions, avoid late full-size chase entries, and keep altcoin risk defensive until Bitcoin and Ethereum prove leadership again.